watch us and see which way.
All right, which line we going?
Momentum.
We've never
We're
fucking got
stuffing.
stuck here.
You
You know what I mean?
We're
Let me
stuffing.
see what we gotta do here. I can't really see. Wait, hold on.
All right, there's just a big dip on your right tire. The big passenger tire's got a big dip. Yep, and then another big dip on the passenger. You are an incredible
We
driver.
got her, baby.
Baby, you are an incredible driver.
Thanks, baby. Boo in the shot.
Boo's in the shot now.
That's where the lockers. You need them.
Oh, driver, driver.
Hey, back up and go that way. Your line. There you go. That's the line.
Send it!
You're gonna have to back up and really give her some juice.
That's exactly where we got stuck too.
Hey, stuck means we're pulling line.
That's right.
There you go. You're gonna have to send it harder than that.
Yeah!
Knee left. Not nice and slow with this. Knee to left. Is your front tire spinning? Okay, wait. Hey, go back a little bit. Back a little. Okay, now turn towards me a little.
Passenger.
Straight up. Right there. Right there.
That's it.
Right there.
That's it. Yes. Woo!
Yeah!
Yes.
Yeah, there's a couple more rock spots that are harder than that.
That was more like slippery.
But slippery's counts, right?
Yes.
So this, we got to be really careful right here. So this is body damage.
So I got the gimbal. So the gimbal is level, the car is not.
Right.
That'll help with the off-camber.
Right.
Showing you the trail today. This trail has a lot of memories because it all started here, right?
This is our first trail we
It was
ever
our
did.
first trail. We had all-terrain tires. We had no rock sliders. We hadn't trimmed any fender flares.
Our air pressure wasn't even out.
Yeah, it's right. We didn't take any pressure out of the tires. Holy crap! Look at that. I tell you, Boo loves coming out here. That's why I put him behind the wheel. I'm no dummy. I'm no dummy.
Can I call you Bug?
And this means a lot because our summer is tidied, is all wrapped up in the next 4 weekends, including this one.
Yeah, because I go into surgery.
Before Joe, Joe's got a hip replacement surgery. His left hip is a force to be reckoned with, to say it lightly.
Right.
It controls every minute
kicks my ass.
of his life. It kicks his
It's
ass.
really bad. This is an awesome trail, isn't it? I love this trail.
Think what the guys are like. The guys behind us.
Oh, remember when this is where you got all scared?
Yes.
With the goose, and you're like, you didn't know what I went through back there. I was like, you got this, Bug. You got this, Bug.
Yeah.
Oh! And the
little Goozy was just
Like,
shotgunning with you, or
yes.
well, not sitting shotgun and just cheering the bug on.
She was. She
like
was
leave the bug alone.
Are you sure that was the spot?
That was it. Yep. That was it. I remember standing on that rock corner. I'm like, no, you got this.
Oh, I'm glad you're not.
Well, hey, this ain't nothing. Well, you've done 311.
Yeah.
When you and Goozy did it. But it's just beautiful. It's just gorgeous up here. And it's a fun trail.
It is.
Because you're just way deep in here, you know what I mean? And give it the freaking butt. I'd like to maybe do one of those, like the guys will put like the Ford Taurus fan in here, these things. They're big, huge 10-blade fans. They say they almost cool them too much.
Oh, wow.
But man, wouldn't it be nice to not have to worry? Maybe I'll feel that AC. Oh my gosh.
Nice.
To be on the trail and have AC going.
What's that like?
I mean, just like, oh my gosh, that having your heater blasting.
Alright guys, I'm gonna walk this. Alright, baby. It's good. Doing good. Come on through. Whoa. Hold on.
Normally I go the other way.
Yep. That's all right. You should. And you might want to come this way, is easier. Yeah, because your diff will get caught on that rock. Are you gonna cut passenger? Passenger? All right, so you're gonna stop, stop, stop. Back up. Good. Cut right. Nope, you're gonna hit. Back up. There you go. Back up just a little bit. That should do it. That should do it. Pull. I am. I've got it. I've got it. You got plenty of clearance. Plenty of clearance. You did it. You did it perfectly. So we made it to the top. Look at her. And here's our posse.